The Solitary Reaper. This is a new poem included in 10th class syllabus. About the poet. William Wordsworth was born at Cockermouth, Lake District in England. The poet of this poem is William Wordsworth. He was born in England on 7th April 1770 and died on 23 April 1850. He was considered as the poet of nature. He was honored as England's poet laureate. He has written lots of poems like We Are Seven, Daffodils, the Lucy poems, the Prelude, the Solitary Reaper, the Westminster Bridge, Tintern Abbey, etc. His poems are remarkable for their clear and simple expression of natural feelings. Wordsworth was a visionary and described nature as his friend, guide, and philosopher. He was greatly inspired by nature in its physical and spiritual aspects. His poetry presents God's universe with a new perspective of spiritual knowledge, divine beauty, and romantic elements. He defined poetry as spontaneous overflow of powerful feeling arising from emotions recollected in tranquility. Then we have to discuss the central idea of the poem. The Solitary Reaper is a lyric. It is a poem about a Scottish girl who is singing and reaping her harvest with a sickle. The poet had a trip to Scotland in 1803 with his sister Dorothy. There he was greatly inspired to write the poem, seeing the sight of a Scottish girl singing and cutting her harvest single alone in the highland. She is singing a sad tune which echoes in the deep valley. The poet asks the passers-by to stop there and listen her song or gentle pass, as not to disturb her. The rhyming scheme of this beautiful poem is A C C D D. C C D D. Then thirdly, we have to discuss the summary, the epitome of the poem in simple language. A Highland girl of Scotland is herself single in the field. She is harvesting her crops. She is singing a sad tune which echoes in the deep valley. Wordsworth asks the passerby, stop there and listen to her tune or gentle pass. He tells us that no nightingale has sung a welcoming song to travelers in the deserts more beautiful than the girl's song. He also tells that even a cuckoo bird in spring can't sing better than her. Her singing is the only sound breaking the silence in the Hebrides. Hebrides is a group of islands off the coast of Scotland. The poet can't understand its theme. He guesses it is about a war long ago, something mundane or even suffering which she has gone through and may go through again. He, he thinks he may never find out the theme of her never ending song. Its beauty changed the poet's heart, and he captured it and heard it after it was heard no more. The impression created on the poet is so powerful that it remains ever in his mind. The message of the poem is that simple moments can have extreme beauty and can soothe our souls for a long time afterwards. Wordsworth is emotionally moved by the beauty of the reaper's sad, lamenting voice filling the air.